तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जहां, जब तक है जहां। हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आप देख रहे हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है। मेरा नाम है मोहित, और अगर ये कुछ ऐसी लाइंस हैं जो आप पिछले कई दिनों से गुनगुनाए जा रहे हैं, तो द बग हैज बिटन यू एज वेल। बात कर रहा हूं मैं साल की सबसे एंटिसिपेटेड मूवी की। 13 नवंबर को रिलीज होने वाली है दिवाली वाले दिन। फिल्म का नाम है जब तक है जहां, और इस पिक्चर में क्या बाकी है बताने के लिए मेरे साथ फिलहाल स्टूडियो में द स्टार ऑफ द स्टार्स, यू विल बी रियली ग्लैड टू नो हु आई हैव विथ मी, Shahrukh Khan and Anushka Sharma. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mohit.
You're welcome.
He's the only one I know who speaks faster than me, I think. I was just
We can try.
observing
We can try. कर सकते हैं हम.
He speaks really, really fast.
We can. Okay, let's try. Say.
Wow, we have 30 minutes to find out. So, all right.
जल्दी से बोल. She sells on the seashore.
She sells on.
You try.
She sells.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
You practiced in tongue.
Same one. Yeah.
He's practiced in tongue.
कच्चा पापड़, पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़, पक्का. Anything. Say anything.
Kacha papad pakka pakka pakka.
Go. I mean, anything you want to say fast.
Kacha papad pakka papad kacha papad.
ऊँट की पीठ ऊँची, ऊँट की पूंछ नीची, ऊँची पीठ।
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की गुस्ताख बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, वहाँ से पढ़ के मत बोल। तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ,
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्ती।
फास्ट, तेरी आंखों की नमकीन
तेरी
मस्तियाँ।
आंखों की नमकीन मस्ती। What the hell? I'm terrible.
I speak the fastest.
I can speak random nonsense like really fast.
Yeah, so we have 30 minutes to do that. We'll do that, no problem. First of all, let me congratulate all of you. बहुत ही awesome response है to the trailer, especially online and everywhere. So I want to start talking to you, Shahrukh, and find out with you. Any movie which releases, जैसे ही trailer बाहर आता है and people know that it has you, there's this frenzy and the anticipation. Are you always aware कि जैसे ही trailer out होगा ये होने वाला है?
Not at all, yeah. I don't know. This trailer I really like. You know, there's some movies I can't tell. The last one or the one before that, My Name is Khan and say Ravan. Or when I see it, I'm not too sure whether this is the way a film should be. But this one I really like, to be really honest. And I'm not saying it because we're talking about this film, but I remember Adi showed it to me and he said, "मैं कल डाल रहा हूँ इसको यार, परसों डाल रहा हूँ." And no, sorry, 7 दिन बाद डाल रहा हूँ. And I remember I didn't need to dub it. ये जो लाइनें हैं इसके पीछे. But I came that night, which is very, very professional of me. I'm not like that. I said, मैं अभी आके dub कर रहा हूँ. I was flying to London actually. So I said, मैं आऊँगा, मैं dub करूँगा. He said, why? I said, I like the trailer so much. I want to hear it in my voice, not yours. So I came here and I dubbed it. And I dubbed it about like 7-8 times, I think. And I liked the trailer a lot. And I thought it was very apt for the film. And it gives it a different kind of a feeling.
Absolutely.
So I'd not try to show off. But yeah, this trailer, I think people will like.
They loved. I mean, it's evident on the net, and also does not give anything away from the movie. I mean, you look at the trailer and then you wonder, ये क्या होगा इस फिल्म में? Everybody knows it's a love story, लेकिन आखिर हो क्या रहा है? I'll definitely not ask you that because we have to watch the movie and then
it's a story of a guy who goes on a ride on a motorbike, and along the way he meets 2 girls who are mechanics, and you know, both repair the motorbikes differently, but they have a deal that one will repair the front half, the other will repair the back half. So the problem is that every time the back half gets spoiled, he has to look for the girl who does the back half, the front. So ये पूरी कहानी ऐसे ही है. Finally उन दोनों को एक जगह पर मिलता है जो मैं बताना नहीं चाहूँगा कहाँ पर, कि वो पूरी मोबाइल रिपेयर हो जाती है और वो मोबाइल पे बैठता है. And the scene that you see in the trailer is the last shot of the film. तेरी आँखों की रंगी वो चला जाता है without paying them, of course.
So you know what is happening in the movie already. Then you might not want to go and check it out if you believe what Shahrukh has said. But let me come to you, Anushka. It's very close, the release, and I have heard you saying in your prior interviews as well, it's a big movie in your career. Nervous, excited? क्या है feeling फिलहाल?
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Not nervous. Very, very excited. I think this film is a Yash Chopra romance that I'm going to be seeing after 8 years. Going back into his world, enjoying his cinema, the way he likes to portray love and relationships. So I'm excited for it. I mean, even if I was not in the film, I'd want to watch it.
Wow, but you know, it does look like you have had a lot of fun while you were shooting the movie. और आपका जो प्रेस कॉन हुआ थोड़े दिनों पहले, उसमें आपने बताया कि you exact words were जब आपके एक तरफ कटरीना कैफ है, एक तरफ अनुष्का शर्मा है, as a guy, एक अलग तरीके की खुशी आपको मिलती है. क्या वो खुशी आप बयां कर सकते हैं?
I feel like a rat, like a चूहा जिसको लगता है काजू भी है किशमिश भी है, काजू भी है किशमिश भी है, काजू भी है किशमिश भी है, तो खुश रहता है. और but on a very, very serious note, I worked with her 3 years ago, and I'll not sound patronizing because we are all equal actors. तो मैंने क्योंकि 17 साल पहले से काम किया हुआ है या मैंने ज़्यादा फिल्में की हुई हैं, I cannot demean the status of Anushka or Katrina for that matter. by saying कि it was really fun working with them. We are equal actors, we are equal personas on that set, and we are friends. You know, within a period of 3 years I've known her. I did my first film with her, it was very happy. I've done this is even happier. And both of them, I'll tell you, I'll miss them. You know, day before yesterday, after the press conference I went, and I tweeted actually that I'm feeling empty because I'll miss them. They've been really kind to me. And not because I'm an actor they like to work with or actually work with me already. It's just that you feel that sometimes. You know, you do a film and you come across. It's been years since I felt like that. I've had work with some of my old friends in terms of earlier films. I felt like that. So it's been a long time since I felt so happy and so much fun and without any conditions. And, you know, sometimes it's nice to just sit with her, hold her hand and laugh a lot or cry a little and feel a little because we are part of that film, you know, so you get personal. So I really think we've had a great time. And I thank Anushka and Katrina both for making me feel so wonderful on the set. And in return, I hope I can make them feel so on the screen too when they see it with the experience that I have.
Absolutely. Now, Anushka, I think it is your turn to return all the niceness, because press con mein, when everybody asks you what's the good things which you liked about Shah Rukh, you just mentioned one. I mean, I'm sure there are many, right? So this is an occasion probably if you want to return.
While he was
the
talking,
adjectives.
I was actually thinking that people say that, you know, he's the most romantic hero. It's because of this. It's because it's because of the way he sees girls. You know, I think there's a certain amount of respect that he has for women, and without offending anybody, I don't think everybody is like that. I don't see that. I come from an army background,
right.
So I am used to men getting up when, you know, a woman walks into the room, and I didn't see that when I got out. You know, but he is like that.
I'm also from Fauji, na, so.
Yeah, see,
So
yeah, training sahi hui thi. So he's like that, and other than that, you know, he's very sensitive to everybody around him, and that's a very good quality, because I'm sure he has plenty of things to do. I mean, you know, he's a busy man, but to kind of take that time to look around and see if everyone's comfortable, it really takes a certain kind of goodness and genuineness to be able to do that. And like I said, it's just so much fun working with him. You know, all the seriousness apart, I think he's just so much fun to work with, because he's so funny, he's so witty, and I love hearing his stories. When we were actually shooting in Kashmir, I had the privilege of reading a couple of pages from his book, and I just wanted to go like that, because he's such a fabulous writer, and it's just filled with so much emotions and.
But I've written the chapter that you told me to write, by the way, so I have to send it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. She told me that I should write a chapter because we're doing a love story, and she said you should write a chapter on love. So I have 3/4 of his own.
It's just the way he thinks, you know. It's just so amazing. And I told him, I was like, you have to get this book out now. Wow. So he's that. He's just amazing. He just surprises you.
And since Shah Rukh brought it up, I must ask you this. I actually have wanted to ask you this since Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi came up. You know, I have some friends who are trying to make into movies, and you know, for them, it's just a dream of getting an opportunity to work with a stalwart. So let me take you back to 2008, जब आपको एक वो phone call आया या meeting हुई when you found out that your hero is Shah Rukh Khan. What was the reaction like? पागल हो गई, you went crazy. What went through you?
I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe that something so good could happen to me. Actually, what happens is जब आप किसी चीज़ को expect नहीं करते हैं, जैसे मैं necessarily मैंने बचपन से ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहूँगी. Maybe because I was from outside the industry, so I didn't think it was possible. It seemed too far-fetched. But then when it happened in a way that, one can only imagine in dreams. I'm getting launched by Yash Raj Films, Aditya Chopra is directing, and Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, it's opposite Shah Rukh Khan. So I just couldn't believe it. I was in denial, I think, for some time. Till I met him on set. I kept thinking, no, because I hadn't met him before that. I hadn't seen him. I met him only on set. So I thought, "Unko jhoot bol rahe hain." वो नहीं आने वाला है. They lying to me. Till I saw him and I was like, okay, I'm doing a film with Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh, I think that is the kind of response you invoke every time in people whenever you meet them, especially girls. So imagine a situation. I mean, क्योंकि हर कोई आपको king of romance बुलाता है. अगर कभी कोई ऐसी film बनी, because you have attributed the success of your romantic movies to the heroines and their beauty and the eyes, which helps you emote. अगर कोई ऐसी film बनी which does not have a heroine, will that be difficult?
There will never be a film made, and I'll never act in a film in which there's no heroine. ये कभी ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता दोस्त, कि आपको ये पता नहीं है, बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है कि जब जब भगवान हीरोइंस की इजाद कर रहे थे और उनको बना रहे थे,
इजाद
मतलब इन्वेंट,
okay.
जब उनको बना रहे थे तो उनका जो एक मूल काम था, कार्य था कि हीरोइन क्या करेंगी, वो शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करेंगी, इसलिए बनी है हीरोइन।
किस्मत में लिखवा कर आई है सारी।
हाँ, तो जो नहीं कर सकी मुझसे पहले आई हैं, वो अगला जन्म लेके फिर जन्म लेंगी और आएंगी। और जो अभी बहुत छोटी हैं, उनके साथ मैं करता रहूँगा, उनका मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। खूबसूरत लड़की होनी चाहिए और हर लड़की खूबसूरत होती है, तो मैं उनसे प्यार कर सकता हूँ, कहीं पर भी, कैसे भी, जैसे आप बोलें, जिस तरह से।